All right, here we go. We got a box from skis.com. It's a long box. I ordered my skis finally. I got sick and tired of renting. Let's see here. What do we got? Yeah. Look at that sexiness. I ordered the Salomon QST 92 ski. Retail for $549. I'm going to be pairing these skis, sorry, those are my fingers, my big old fingers. I'm going to be pairing these skis with a Salomon Warden MNC 13 binding. And my boots are Salomon X Max 120s. Here's our boot. Got an X Max 120. I've been skiing on this boot for 3 years now. It's been great, but I got sick and tired of renting skis because renting good skis costs money, especially if you rent from mountains. I travel for work, and a lot of times I am near skiing in the winter. And so whenever I do, I travel with my boots. But I got sick and tired of renting skis, so I decided to buy some skis. I skied quite a few skis from Atomic, Rossignol, Nordica, K2, and I just kept on coming back to this ski because I don't know, just something about the ski, just it works right. It feels good. It's great in the turns. It's great on most everything. And it's lower cost, it's lower price than most of the other skis. And it's getting crazy good reviews out there. The one thing that I can recommend, though, if you're going to buy your own gear is focus on buying boots first. Focus on the boots first. Because your boots are what drives everything. So if you're looking to buy gear, buy your boots first. You can always get skis somewhere, but you're never going to be able to drive that ski without a good platform, without a good motor, and your motor is your boots. These guys transfer everything you do into your ski. Anyways, thanks so much. We'll talk to you later.